Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying compatibility. You need Thunderbolt 3 or 4 with full PCIe tunneling or an MXM slot. Most laptops lack internal GPU swaps. Once you have confirmed ports and BIOS support, order an eGPU enclosure and a desktop GPU that fits power and space limits. Meanwhile, update BIOS, chipset, and Thunderbolt drivers to the latest versions. Enable Thunderbolt security settings that allow external devices. This first step prevents headaches later and gets you ready to physically connect hardware. Now assemble the enclosure. Open it, seat the GPU into the PCIe riser, fasten screws, and attach 6/8-pin power cables. Make sure fans and airflow are unobstructed. Once done, plug the enclosure into the laptop's Thunderbolt port. Watch for the OS prompt and authorize the device if needed. After connection, install or update enclosure firmware and the GPU drivers on your laptop. This is crucial for stability. Then reboot and verify the OS recognizes the external GPU in Device Manager or System Report. Finish by choosing where workloads run. Set the eGPU as primary for games or assign specific apps to use it, and connect an external monitor when possible to avoid bandwidth loss. If the eGPU does not appear, disconnect and retry with a certified Thunderbolt cable, update enclosure firmware, or toggle Thunderbolt security in BIOS. Sometimes disabling the internal GPU temporarily helps. Monitor temperatures and power. If drivers conflict, perform a clean driver uninstall and reinstall. One key tip: test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.